Greenwood, South Carolina. The guy's cutting the grass over there is annoying. This is a 1907 Baldwin 282 Rockton-Rion number 19. I do not see a bullet plate. Got some interesting cars though. It's Piedmont and Northern. It's a Seaboard, Erie and Lackawanna down there. And the last one is, I just see Erie on it, so I don't know what that is. This place is closed today. Apparently, it looks like they have a society over there because there's a little building's got a little train sign in front. Somewhere here, this place you can get a private tour, but I think it's only available on like the weekends or some weird date. And unfortunately, we're not here on that day, so I couldn't schedule it. And you can see the little building back over there. So I think it's a little society here. And there's Sarah, she's here. Steam Train Sarah's here. I'm gonna walk down to the end here and show you all these cars though. It's an interesting collection. Being in South Carolina. I can tell you there's more of the train though. I'll try to get on the other side and get a few shots too.
Can't get up as close from the other side.
Yeah. There's the Piedmont and Northern. The green one is Seaboard. The next one, the gray with the red windows, is Erie and Lackawanna. And the one on the end, the black with the gray windows, says just Erie. Although it looks like it says something underneath the window. I can't tell what it says from here. Erie American Liberty? Yeah, that's what it says. Erie American Liberty, looks like number 5. So that Erie Lackawanna is a diner car. Seaboard Coastline, Piedmont Northern, and there's the loco up front. So it's pretty neat. I wish we were here on a day they gave the tours, because I'd totally do that. But Greenwood, South Carolina, here we are. It's starting to get hot again. But hey, it's not raining. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here and take more pics. All right, now we're back we're on the other side over here now. We're still in Greenwood, South Carolina. That's the Historical Society, which cracked me up because obviously it used to be a bank. It even has a drive-through window. But they're only open on Saturdays 10 to 4. And guess what today is? Not Saturday. So, and I'm really bummed because on this side you can see there actually has cab access that you can get up in there. But these look like little depot houses or whatever. But this is what it looks like on this side. I hate fences. But there it is. Yep, see the sign says Greenwood. So nice little area though.